everyone, I'm Priya Lalwani and welcome to another episode of Happened Over Coffee. Today we have a really special guest with us who has been a curator and initiator of a culture and community, who has actually gotten best people to work with her. She is none other than Parul Khurana. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hi Priya, all well, how are you?
I'm also good. As you know, this has happened over coffee session. So we are initiating with the first question that is, what's your everyday coffee looks like?
It has to be pour over always. It's a ritual for me. It's not like an order, it's a ritual. Every morning I get up, I need to have my first cup of coffee in peace. It's
Hmm.
generally either me or my husband brewing the
Hmm.
coffee, us sitting down together and
Hmm.
just enjoying the first few hours of the morning, and that sets the tone for the day.
Great.
And so yeah, it's slow by design, and that's what the philosophy with the
Hmm.
local is as well. It is
Yeah.
experiences, and it is slow living, and it is
Hmm.
just doing the right things. But it changes on event days, of course, where you're chugging
Hmm.
espressos instead of pour overs. So yeah.
Nice. That means on the event days we are preferring espressos, and every day it's V60.
Yes.
Great. And when we talk about entrepreneurship, it looks very fascinating, glamorous to all the people who are looking from outside, and there must be a lot of struggles that you might be facing before executing the event and everything related to that. Would you like to share about that to the audience?
So what most people see, Priya, is the end result, which is the 3 days of
Hmm.
event that you come for.
Hmm.
What they don't see is the months of hard work that the
Exactly.
whole team goes through, whether those are sleepless nights, whether
Hmm.
those are, things not working,
Hmm.
vendors not turning up,
Hmm.
money is not flowing in.
Hmm.
It's just a lot of struggle and lot of that. But
Agreed.
I think local started with passion, and as long as you're passionate, I think you can sustain most of those hardships.
Of course. And when we talk about, how does a day in the team of local looks like?
So no 2 days are same. Uh, Absolutely not. We are not a bank. We are not a 9 to 5 kind of a place.
Hmm.
We are a very fun space.
Hmm.
We have fun because everyone in the team is equally passionate about what they do, equally involved.
Hmm.
So we ideally start a day by 11, close it by 7. But if you
Hmm.
ask us during the events, and
Hmm.
Shubraj is here, he'll
Hmm.
tell you that there is no timing.
Yeah.
एंड इवेंट डे पे हो भी ऐसे जाता है कि इवेंट खत्म भी हो गया ना, उसके
Hmm.
बाद भी हम 3-4 बजे तक बस बैठे हैं, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम यू जस्ट वांट टू बी विद द टी, वांट टू
Yeah.
जस्ट इंजॉय एंड बी. तो कोई
Hmm.
भी उस समय तो टाइम का कुछ अता पता ही नहीं है, बट
Agreed.
that's how we generally go. And with so much happening with local anyways, in terms of whether it's content or events or
Hmm.
house of local, there's always something or the other
Yeah.
happening.
Then how do you motivate your team to keep on working, because it actually is it does look like no one person is having just one responsibility. They must be carrying a lot in their plate. So how do you motivate them to just go on?
Like I just said, it is very important whom you get on board in the team.
Yeah.
Are they equally passionate about
Hmm.
your vision, your mission? Do they
Hmm.
love what they're doing equally as much as you are? And I don't think it is my job to keep them motivated. I think what my job is to give them an environment where they
Hmm.
feel that they belong, where
Yeah.
they feel equally, that they own the thing, like
Hmm.
it's their ownership. And once that comes in, I
Hmm.
think they are motivated themselves. So yeah.
Agreed. And when we talk, when we go back to the time that local initiated in 2015, I believe, I don't think there were much awareness about communities back then. It was not a buzzword. How did you manage to, gather a set of people to come on board with you and go ahead?
So I trained in television production in London,
Yeah.
and then I came back to Bombay, and I was in the television industry. I
Hmm.
worked in shows like Dance India Dance and Ek Khiladi Ek Hasina, shows for MTV. I started my own production house, made documentary for National Geographic,
Nice.
and then gave it all up to start the
Hmm.
local. but the core belief was I always did things that millions of people could see, right? Whether it was through television or whether now it is through the local. And a lot of people doubted me at that point of time as to
Okay.
why would I give such a successful thing that I was doing in Bombay, work that I was doing and come. So my idea was that Raipur at that point didn't have a problem of culture. Culture has always been here. We always had artists, we always had entrepreneurs, we always had, people. All they
course.
needed was the platform. All they needed was a mirror. Raipur needed a mirror to show people that here, look at this.
Exactly.
And let's value this. And that's how it started. So, now people start businesses thinking community, thinking things at 10, 12 years ago. No one spoke about community.
Exactly.
But our event is called the Local Community Bazaar. So the core belief was always people at the front, was always building a culture in Raipur, a community in Raipur. And community is just people, but culture is what is built by those people.
Agreed. So as it started in 2015, you all preferred, as you are also saying, that you all preferred to go slow, even after having enough resources, you focused on letting your audience talk about it, rather working on it, making it aggressive and everything. What was your take on it? How did you plan it all? Is it your way of sustainable growth or what?
So cultures can't be built on spreadsheets or Excels.
Agreed.
Right? You have to build the trust. Building a trust takes time.
Yeah.
You can't speed that process up, and that has been intentional. I can't say I'm doing 10 events back to back, and build a community, build a culture. That's how I think everyone right now is trying to go.
Yeah.
According to me, that maybe is not a sustainable model. As long as you don't have the trust of your community backing you up, there is no community without people.
Agreed.
And community is people are using community as a product. It is not a product. You can't the idea of thinking that I'm going to make money out of community is the wrong way of thinking.
Agreed.
So that is not what we've ever been. Yeah.
That's great to know. But at the same time, when we see today's market of community is right now, I believe back in 2015 there might be just you were the one of the starters of communities, and today we have like millions right now. What's your take on the market inside? What is the industry inside right now? How the industry is evolving? What's your take on it?
See, I'm glad there are more and more people talking about community, more and more people doing the work that is required to be done. So that is a good thing.
Yeah.
But like I said, if it is not built on trust, and it is not about 20,000 followers is not a community,
Agreed.
You have 200 people who truly believe in you. That is a community.
Exactly.
So, you can't show your Instagram page with X number of following and call that your community.
Totally.
You need that core people, that core group, build on it. Build their trust so that they are there, they are standing with you. And that is what community is. So I'm glad there are people trying to do that, with good intention. So as long as your intentions are right, as long as, you're not jumping on the bandwagon because everyone is talking community, I think then you're doing the right job. And obviously, business is involved in anything, whatever you're doing, you would like to make money. But don't, mop off people, don't call it community. Don't do events, call it community, and then earn out of that people.
Agreed.
Build it. It takes time. Give it that time. Be more, what do you call it? You'll have to be at it.
Agreed.
Constantly you have to be. It's the consistency, it's the patience. So do it with the right intention. More than, I'll be more than happy with as many people doing the kind of work that is required, because there's space for so much more.
Exactly. Agreed. Totally. And as we can see, communities are the future of business these days. And along with that, there is a lot of confusion going on in between. People said that local is an event company. What's your way of telling people that it is what the local actually is?
तो बाहर से जो दिखता है वो लोगों को वही दिखता है प्रिया.
Hmm.
सो आई एम ग्लैड यू आस्क्ड मी दैट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज
Hmm.
लोकल कुछ भी करे वो द लोकल्स ही रहता है,
Hmm.
you know. But local is not an events company. The local builds culture. I'll give you an example. 2015 is when we started.
Yeah.
And we started with a pure intention of, you know, building a culture for the people of Raipur where they identify with that, where they feel proud about being a Raipurian, being local,
Yeah.
hence the name, right?
Yeah.
So what I've seen in the last 11 years is a change in behavior, a change in belief. There's been a change in identity, and that's the biggest cultural shift.
Yeah.
And people now, the weekends have changed, so that's the behavior. The belief that anything from Raipur can also be as good as anything from
Yeah.
Delhi or Bombay. The belief has shifted. And people now, are proud to call Raipur their city. पहले क्या होता था, दिल्ली जाना है, बॉम्बे जाना है, बाहर जाना है. The identity has changed. So these three are the biggest indicators of the cultural shift that has happened. And anything that we do, whether it's the local tube, whether it's the House of Local, whether it's the, IPs through the local, the core belief will always be that. The mediums are different, but the core belief is always that.
Nice. And I have seen like local has built a lot of brands as well. How do you feel when you see the brand initiated with us and now they are touching the heights? Like बहुत सारे लोग I have seen that they were homegrown brands and now what's your look at it?
That is one thing that keeps us going in spite of a rainy day, in spite of dark gloomy days, is when you see a hobby turn into a business.
Yeah.
Right? When you see housewives coming out just for those 3 days to earn, to put their talent in front of people, because throughout the year maybe they do not get that platform, or maybe
Exactly.
unfortunately, even in the world that we are living in, they are not allowed.
Yeah.
But that has been the biggest. Even now when I speak, I get goosebumps because what could be no money can compare that, Priya. Like
Agreed.
the joy of seeing someone else thrive, nothing can compare that.
It happened with me once too. When a person on stage, she was there on the stage. Like it happened at the House of Local only. That she was there on stage. She was in our cover. She wanted to speak a lot, but she cried out of joy because that's the platform she was looking forward for. And I can totally understand you have achieved it all in the time span of 11 years. I can understand how big of the things you must have faced, but that small joy of hers made me realize that you all are doing way too great. And like moving ahead, when we talk about you have given spaces to housewives and everyone to earn the money, what percentage of these homegrown brands are there always associated with local?
So at any given point of time, if you look at Community Bazaar, at least 60 to 70% are, first of all, women entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
Out and out. If you look at the percentage of how many are just housewives or doing it as hobby, take around 10 to 15%. But that's also, I think, is a huge number when you look at the number of stalls or the people that are there.
Yeah.
Even if it is just 5, 5 people who get that space to be out in the public. That's
great.
Yeah, that's
and
the
then
job
this
done.
story is also associated with one of your founders, right? About Namrata, how she initiated.
Yes.
So would you like to tell the story of all the founders of local and how you gathered all to work with you and go ahead?
Absolutely. So the local started in 2015, like I told you. The first event was the Community Bazaar. Little Italy तब होता था. I don't know, बहुत लोगों को पता है कि नहीं. Hotel Florence जो है, उसका छोटा सा garden था. So and it's run by a friend of mine. So he was very kind enough to give me that space. Sankalp is a friend's brother. who
Hmm.
helped me with getting artists in place and getting
Hmm.
things in place.
Hmm.
And he was also you later on he became also a partner at the
Okay.
local.
Yeah.
He's no longer a partner, but the first event, after the first
Hmm.
event, and Neelu Bhaiya was a sponsor.
Okay.
So yeah, he used to run TMC at that point of time.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
Amar Jharia was like this big performer. He would perform
Hmm.
at TMCs every Wednesday.
I do remember,
Yeah.
like, when I first met you for my own cafes,
Right.
we were meeting at TMC only.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So he was one of the first sponsors who
Hmm.
believed in it, and it was actually Neelu Bhaiya's idea after the first community bazaar
Hmm.
to gather for more people, and for them also to join me
Hmm.
at the local
Hmm.
and take this ahead.
Hmm.
And at the first local, Namrata was one of the participants.
Yeah.
So she's a family friend, a
Hmm.
very close family friend, and my brother's
Hmm.
wife.
Hmm.
So it took a lot of convincing for me also to kind of
Of
coax her
course.
and tell her, because I had tried her bakes and I had
Hmm.
seen her, wonderful paintings.
Hmm.
And it took me some convincing to tell her कि, 2 दिन के लिए लगा लो,
Hmm.
बेच लो. So she did tarts, she did waffles. और तब तक ये Belgian waffles और ये सब रायपुर
Yeah.
में था नहीं. No place that you could get waffles.
Of course.
So she was, one of my first participants. And then, thanks to Neelu Bhaiya, we all came together, and it's the three of us right now.
That's great. Local has become a nostalgia for everyone as well these days. And further moving ahead, I would like to know what Parul Khurana actually is, how she built it all.
I didn't build it all myself,
Yeah.
It takes a village. Like you say, to raise a baby takes a village. Local is my first baby. I would always say that. And it has actually taken a village, whether it's my parents, my husband, my brother, my elder brother, whether it's Namrata, Neelu Bhaiya. It's just been
Hmm.
all of them together.
Yeah.
Because of that.
Hmm.
And, I've just shifted to Raipur. I was
Hmm.
in Bombay for the last 10 years. While the local was happening, I would keep coming back and forth between
course.
Bombay and Raipur. So, had it not been for my husband holding the fort back in Bombay with my daughter, or not for Neelu Bhaiya and Namrata to say, you come in for just the last 1 month,
Hmm.
I don't think, I would have been able to build the local the way I did.
Totally. And what is that one quality of each one of your partner you would like to share over here, like you love the most?
So Namrata is a daredevil. Like,
Okay.
she will just go all out. If she believes in it, she will see through it. Like,
Hmm.
she'll see the end of the tunnel. She's not going to give up on something that she believes in. So I admire
Hmm.
the most
Hmm.
about her. Neelu Bhaiya is an anchor for us, because
Yeah.
when both of us are like, when I'm having too many ideas, or
Hmm.
when Namrata is like aggressive and, let's go, let's do it. And then,
Hmm.
he's like, take take a second,
Hmm.
calm down, think through it.
Hmm.
तुम लोग ने बस सोच लिया और कर दिया नहीं होता है. Take
Hmm.
your time. So he kind of anchors both of us down.
Hmm. Nice. And has it ever been that you all have fought, and how do you resolve? Of course, it must have been happening because every business does get along like that. कि अगर partners हैं तो लड़ाई तो होगी. So, what all things you all actually fought on? What are the major things, and how do you resolve it all?
Oh, we fight a lot.
Yeah.
3 people, we are not alike.
Hmm.
Absolutely not
Of
alike,
course.
and that's the beauty of it.
Hmm.
सबकी एक अपनी वो है, कोई किसी में अच्छा है, कोई किसी में अच्छा है, and that's why we work so beautifully well together. तो झगड़े तो बहुत होते हैं, but जैसे नीलू भैया बोलते हैं, ये एक शादी है, ठीक है. कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज, कहीं एडजस्टमेंट करके the relationship has to be worked. अगर आपको, if you want to see it through, then every day is a work that you given into this relationship. So we treat it like that कि भैया इसमें अपना ईगो पी लो, जो दूसरा बोल रहा है मे बी दैट पर्सन इज राइट, एक बार सुन लो एंड देन वर्क ऑन इट. ठीक है, मतलब यू हैव टू गिव दैट लीवे यार, मतलब अदरवाइज तो आप सस्टेन ही नहीं करोगे.
Exactly. And we have seen local has come up with always, creative themes. Either it's community bazaar or makers market or everything. It has come up with very creative. What actually, what all brainstorming you all do that actually you come up with these ideas like that?
So, our philosophy has been very simple.
Yeah.
Whether if it is something we would attend and we
Hmm.
would like to see,
Hmm.
it is something worth pursuing, you know. Uh, तो उस philosophy के साथ, and then the fact that city क्या चाह रहा है,
Hmm.
if you don't know the pulse of the city,
Hmm.
देन आप नहीं कर सकते. आप अपने ख्याली पुलाव बनाते रहोगे कि भैया
Hmm.
मेरे को तो ये पसंद है तो ये कर
Hmm.
लेते हैं. वो एक पार्ट है ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर इट कम्स फ्रॉम. But is the timing right? Is the city ready? What is the city asking you for?
Hmm.
I think that is also very important, that you know the pulse of the city and maybe hit it then. We did couple of things that we thought it will work for the city, but it was a wrong route to take.
Agreed. Yeah.
So you learn from your failures.
Great. And when we are talking about failures, what do you think entrepreneurs should go ahead with the faster growth, rapid growth, or the slower ones?
There are two kind of entrepreneurs.
Hmm.
One, you call it as missionaries, right? And
Hmm.
one are mercenaries.
Hmm.
So the mercenaries are the ones that are ऐसे करके दिखाएंगे, and
Hmm.
बहुत लोग हैं जिन्होंने ऐसे करके दिखा दिया. If it works for you, I think we are a little more passion driven. We are like missionaries. What is our purpose? Does it match our core values and beliefs? What we are doing, is that right for the community? Is that right for the city? Is that right for the growing culture? So we believe in slow and sustained growth. And it's not just financial sustainability, right? Sustainability is whether your team is happy, whether
Hmm.
you are happy at the end of the day. What is the impact that you're creating for the people?
Hmm.
What is the impact that you're creating for the city? What is the value addition? So, all of that, I think, for us matters. So, to each their own.
Yeah. And when a brand is associated with a lot of people, it comes with negativity, it comes with hatred. You must also have faced digital hatred or, in front hatred. How do you handle that all? Yeah.
Namrata would tell you I'm the worst at handling that because I take everything personally.
Okay.
Everything personally, and I have sleepless nights because of maybe one comment or
Hmm.
one brand going unhappy from my event. So, but over the years, I think she's taught me to kind of, you can't keep everyone happy. That it is not possible when you do things at scale
Yeah.
to be able to keep everyone happy. We try to do that, but of course, it's human.
Hmm.
कोई आपकी तारीफ जल्दी नहीं करेगा, but
Hmm.
आपकी बुराई
बुराई
जल्दी कर
जल्द.
देगा.
हाँ.
तो वो अब लर्न कर लिया, एंड वो भी लर्न कर लिया है कि अगर कोई ऐसे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं
Hmm.
ऑनलाइन, it's better to ignore than to engage. So I don't engage. The
Hmm.
minute I engage, I'm spending my
Hmm.
energy on someone else's thought and belief, which is not true. Like, why do I need to prove that person, whoever that person behind their phone screen is typing whatever he or she is
Exactly.
typing?
Great to know because I have also been trying to understand how to do that. That's where I'm taking the education from. And if we are talking about the hatred, if we move forward to the digital age, AI is coming. People are not outgoing as much as they should. They are now trying to have everything on their feeds. How you are trying to make people go out and visit a particular event of yours.
So it's an oxymoron, right? In this digital world where the internet is kind of making us closer,
Hmm.
it's just faster to just access,
Hmm.
call you, text you, do,
Hmm.
whatever. It is also making us distant in a way, right?
Hmm.
And that is why everyone is talking about the loneliness
Yeah,
epidemic that is happening.
agreed.
So I don't think you need to be pushed to
Hmm.
get people out. I think because of the world that we are in, people are looking for outlets where they can go meet people.
Hmm.
That is why in cafes you see not just coffee being served, but it is packaged with maybe a workshop or some
Yeah.
experience or something there, and people are loving that. People are
Hmm.
wanting to go engage, meet new people,
Hmm.
try new hobbies. So there is absolutely no difficulty in getting people out of their homes these days.
And what is a major audience? Like, is it Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Millennial? Who are our major audience? Who are we targeting?
So we do a number of IPs throughout the year, and the target audience of all of them are very, very different.
Okay.
So our food fest is the youngest
Hmm.
audience ever, जहाँ पे आपको स्कूल के बच्चों से लेके
Hmm.
फैमिली वाले, because food, right?
Yeah.
Everyone loves food and music. Then
Agreed.
what could go wrong with it? Community bazaar is a little more
Hmm.
mature audience, where you'll still see youngsters, but you'll also see people with spending capacity.
Hmm.
If you look at events like Makers Market
Hmm.
or Farmers Market,
Hmm.
that becomes even more aspirational audience, who
Hmm.
want those handmade products, जिनको organic के बारे में पता है, जिनको अपनी family के बारे में सोचना है, क्या
Yeah.
खिला रही हूँ, क्या पहना रही हूँ अपने बच्चों को, अपनी family को, where the father wants maybe a wooden toy for their child,
Hmm.
वो कहाँ से ले? So that audience then is completely different. So there is
Okay.
no one set of audience that defines the local at all.
So, where the idea of Makers Market and Farmers Market came from, because it is a really, creative idea. People have never thought of, going ahead with a week-based, if we talk about Farmers Market, weekly event. People have never worked on that segment over here in, I think, Central India, I believe. So, how did that come from? How you all actually worked on it and everything? Operations of it.
So Farmers Market came with the idea that Sundays should have a ritual for families.
Yeah.
Right? आपने Friday, Saturday जो भी है party कर ली. Sunday सुबह you need to slow down. You need to enjoy good things in life. And we also saw an audience kind of wanting that quality food direct without any middlemen involved.
Yeah.
So we wanted to redefine Sundays in Raipur. सब लोग बोलते थे रायपुर में संडे सुबह कोई नहीं उठेगा.
Yeah.
आप लोग कर लो 8 बजे 7 बजे आप लोगों को बुला रहे हो गांधी उद्यान, कैसे लोग आएंगे?
Exactly.
लोग आते हैं.
वही.
So वैसी भी ऑडियंस है, वैसी भी ऑडियंस बनी है, वैसा भी कल्चर शिफ्ट हुआ है, जहाँ लोगों ने बोला है नहीं, माय संडे मॉर्निंग्स आर माय sacred mornings जो मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड करूंगा, मैं अपने बच्चे को लेके जाऊंगा, I'll buy the weekly grocery, I'll listen to some classical music, our workshops at Farmers Market are free. Family love, families love that, children love that. So that was the idea of Farmers Market.
Like you all managed to wake everyone up at 7 a.m.
Some people, yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
That's like you all always have, created the trends instead of, following the trend. And that's where local is meant for when we come to the digital ideations of yours, what all you do on social media. That's amazing to know. How do you all, create those ideas? Like abhi recently birthday bash tha, and the birthday bash social media went really good. What was your ideation behind it?
So it was the 10th year, of course it had to be bigger, right?
Yeah.
10 years of the local in the city. And 10 year agar celebrate kar rahe the, तो it has to be like a birthday bash. So that is where the campaign idea came from. And like I said, I've been very lucky because my husband is a marketing genius.
Okay.
He's worked with Disney and Geo, and so he is continuously helping us with the campaigns. Like local के strong supporters, अगर वो मेरी family और वो नहीं होते ना, whether first local में, whether it was my brother writing the content for me that went on Facebook, तब तक Instagram नहीं था, and people appreciating it, or people appreciating our campaigns.
Of course.
It is all because of the people involved. So yeah, the idea was कि 10th year है, कुछ बड़ा धमाकेदार होना चाहिए, क्या करें? Biggest birthday bash. And yeah, we followed through, and it was colorful, it was loud, it was everything that we wanted. Agar aap aaye hoge for the biggest birthday bash, there was, Namrata executed this perfect big gift box right in the center of the venue. So, and when you think of a campaign, you have to think 360, right? You can't just be, chalo main digitally ye kar deti hu. Aapka on-ground translation kya ho raha hai? Are people, carrying the same thing forward? Is that recall still there? So all of that is very important when we design any campaign.
Of course. You all have set a great example of, digital, either it is digital or offline marketing. You are doing it all together for every individual brand. you are there as a mentor too. What actually motivated you to be part of it? Like, we have never seen you being part of any other community apart from this.
Correct.
How did you come up with joining that?
I'm not a very social or extrovert
Yeah.
person. It takes a lot from me to be out there. My work demands that, so I do jitna bhi mere se ho sakta hai. But when Abhinav came to me with TIE, he's the co-chair of TIE, and he explained that this is all about just entrepreneurship. There is no socializing, there is no extra dinners and those frills that comes with other organizations. It is purely and purely that. And having spent 11 years building a brand, now I thought it was time to maybe give it back, right?
Yeah.
So I'm a charter member there, and we act like mentors to the associate members. TIE stands for the Indus Valley Entrepreneurs, and it started in Silicon Valley. So, to have the access to those kind of mentors as the local goes into the next phase, as we grow, I think it was important on those aspects also,
Of
that
course.
maybe, whom do I speak to? Whom do I bounce off ideas? I need that founders club where I can
Agreed.
actually go with my problems or my issues, and then there are people there who've already done that who could help me.
Yeah.
So those were the two major things that I decided to join
Okay.
TIE.
And what's your obsession with black t-shirt and blue denim? Like, I have talked to everyone, and everyone have said if you are seeing Parul Khurana in any of the local event, you can only spot her if you can see a black t-shirt and blue denim. What's the obsession about
So
it?
I'll mostly be wearing the team t-shirt if we have that for
Yeah.
the year's event. I am either a black or a white in clothes wala person. I'm just the most comfortable either in black or white. I'm unfortunately, my mother is a very jolly, colorful person that has passed down to my daughter. It has skipped a generation, but I
Okay.
am a very, black and white wardrobe kind of a person. It's just easier for me not to, color coordinate, match, whatever. Like, I can't get into that.
And why don't you prefer going ahead with the colors? I would like to know that. Like, why on the event days, of course, these are your biggest events of everything. Why don't you prefer like that?
Event days when I want to be comfortable and in my element. On those days I don't want to experiment because
Okay.
I have to be
understood.
on my feet, I have to be in the right frame of mind. उस समय अगर मैं कुछ कलरफुल अतरंगा या उस समय मैं नहीं सोचती हूँ कि मेरे को like I don't have an outfit out for my event days. This is my comfort. This is what I'm going to be in.
So, one fashion advice you would like to give to everyone for that?
Just be yourself,
Yeah.
don't go with the trends. Just be yourself. If you are a white t-shirt, blue jeans person, just be unabashedly that.
That's great. What about your co-founders? How they are so dressed up?
So Namrata is a diva, she loves
Yeah.
fashion. If that is her way of expression, and fashion is that for most
course.
people, right? It is not for me. So, I love that about her. Like, she will always be prim and proper. And that is Namrata for you. And that is her in her element. Me in my element is, blue and black.
We can, easily identify you as well as Namrata on the basis of fashion. What about Neelu, sir?
Neelu Bhaiya is also very comfy, jo comfortable hai, waisa person. He maybe just will have this one thing, whether it's his cap or his shades or his one t-shirt. Like, unki agar aap dressing sense mein kabhi dekho, to एक चीज होगी that will stand out, and that's
Yeah.
him. Like, he, वो वैसे नहीं है, but उनका, he loves his shades. If you look at his collection, तो उनका maybe he'll match his shades with whatever he's wearing. So he'll have this one accessory. Neelu Bhaiya, that's his fashion style.
Great. I think that's done, right? So now we have some sort of rapid fire
Oh my
questions
God. Okay.
that were not, in the list, but my team asked me to ask you these questions, so I thought of, going ahead with it.
Who made this? The rapid fire?
She's not here. I think she is gayab so that no one can blame her. So let's move on to a rapid fire session. We have just set of 8 to 9 questions, and you will have to just answer within 10 seconds, right? And let's go ahead. One thing Raipur does better than any metro cities.
Wow. Raipur does events better than any metro cities.
Oh, then community or culture.
Uh, Community builds culture.
Which is harder, building a community or convincing a brand to invest in one?
Building a community way harder.
What's one founder's habit you secretly judge?
Founder's habit that I secretly judge.
Yeah.
I don't get the question.
Like, what is one thing on in any entrepreneur that you judge that if they can go ahead?
Ah, that's a tricky one. I think I judge them by the amount of fake it till you make it that a lot of founders do, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can. I think I can pinpoint that out.
Okay. And have you ever rejected a collaboration because that does not fit your values?
Yeah, of course.
Finish this. People think local is an event company, but it actually is.
A community builder, a culture builder.
Hustle culture, what is it? Motivation or toxic?
It is how you take it very personal.
You have one seat left in your advisories board, Namrata or Neelu Bhatia. Why would you like to take one?
This is a tough question. This is a very tough question. In my advisory board, I think the girls should stick together.
Nice. If you could ban one word from LinkedIn, what would it be?
Creator of third spaces.
Nice. Followers or customers?
Community.
If Mom and the local could collaborate, what we can create together?
Maybe a special edition more for Community Bazaar.
Let's do it then.
Let's do it.
Yes. So thank you so much for being here and answering all the questions that we were having for the local for you since ages.
Thank you so much, Priya, for calling me and wishing you best of luck.
Thank
I
you.
can, see your podcast and what the future plans you've told me. I'm sure go exceedingly well, and
Yeah.
the local is always there for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.